How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having a wonderful and great day. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome. So glad to have you here. For my returning Luxe fam, thanks so much for always tuning back in. If you are new here, my name is Lakendra. The name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I like to do reviews, hauls, luxury hauls, skincare most recently, just anything that makes you feel pretty, that's about fashion, and anything to uplift us as women and also men. Okay, for my men subscribers, because I do have a few, and I thank you guys also for being a part of the Luxe fam. So if you guys would go ahead and hit that like button if you like content like this. Also consider subscribing, please. I would love to have you. And comment, say hey, leave comments, and we can engage later if you like. So today, what am I talking about? Queens and kings. This happened. And it wasn't supposed to happen. I am so shocked, so excited about this pickup. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, or you're just interested in the story time, just stick around. All right, so I'm back. Let's talk, let's chat. I've been on a no buy with bags lately. I did a lot of damage last year in Chanel, and when I was kind of like evaluating, you know, my need, if I needed like any other bags, I was like, girl, Lakendra, you don't need any more bags. At the end of last year, I picked up a gold Chanel 19, a gray mini flap, and a pink trendy that is still in the box. I have not styled them at all yet. So when I'm looking at stuff, I'm like, girl, work on the stuff that you have before accumulating anything else. So my essay sends me things on a daily, sends me pictures of stuff or whatever, but I have not been in the boutique for ever since like December. Probably one time I went in to go pick up a hat, but I've been low chill, no buy, you know, no buy. So I surprised him last week, and I went in because he sent me a pic of a pink Chanel logo hat that he had ordered for me, and I liked it, so I was going in to get it, but I didn't tell him I was coming. So when I was there, he was like, well, I haven't seen you for a while, and it's like, yeah, I was like, you know, I'm just trying to chill right now, you know, because I have things that I have not worn. I need to pull out of my closet, and I need to wear the things I have. And I said, really, the only thing I'm interested in that I regret not purchasing when you sent it is a cocoa handle in black with gold hardware. And I also noticed that you didn't send me the Chanel heart bag, so I just assumed that was for, you know, other people. And he was like, yeah, he said that was highly requested. I've had at least probably 15 people ask me for that bag, and we only got 2, and like they're for someone else, or I mean, like they are, you know, someone else has already requested those or was on the list. I said, oh, okay. I said, well, that's okay. And I told him it's a few like ready to wear pieces I will acquire, but probably no bags unless it's something really special. Pop of color I love, like I would take a yellow bag, a pretty purple, but yeah, I'm on chill. I'm good. You know, my collection I'm grown, and I just really have enough. Okay, so that was a little story time. So a day goes by, I leave and I say, okay, like ring up my hat and I'll come back later to get it. He said, okay. He was off the next day because I was reaching out to him, trying to see if he was there because I wanted my hat. Well, he wasn't there. He said, I will be back tomorrow. I said, okay. So on the next day, he texted me early and he was like, hey, love. And I was like, well, it's early. And he said, can you talk? And I was like, okay, what does this mean? Because I had kind of looked at a few like ready to wear pieces, and I had kind of picked out, you know, what I was interested in. So I didn't know if he was calling me about that. So he was like, look, my manager called when you were here, and I told her I would talk to her in a little bit. So after you left, we talked, and she asked, where had you been, and how are you doing? And he was like, yeah, she's been kind of working a lot, and she, like has a, few things that she wants, but not a whole lot. And he said that he mentioned that I would have been interested in the heart bag, and so he said, and I said, oh, well, it's already been, like accounted for. And he was like, and she was like, oh, okay. Well, I know we miss her. And I was like, yeah. And so he said, yeah. So he's explaining this little story to me on the phone, and I'm listening. And so he says, so I was off yesterday, and I was like, uh-huh. And he said, and today when I got in, my coworkers was telling me that I had a bag come in, and it was for me, and it came yesterday when I was off. And he said, when I looked at it, and so when they, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. His coworker said, it's a heart bag, and I hadn't seen one, so I hope you do not mind that I looked at it. And he was like, he said, this is what he said, I got a heart bag? Who is the heart bag for? So when he looked, my name was on the heart bag. And he was like, oh my gosh. And so this is not a bag that I asked for, but I mentioned to him, and he mentioned to his manager, and then I was offered a heart bag. I'm not gonna say all of the details with the heart bag, but I was offered the heart bag. So let's get into it, girls. Let's get this up. There we go. All right. Here it is. Very pretty, as always. I love Chanel packaging. It just is, it's just everything. Everything. All right, let's see if I can get this open without, oops, not this time. So let's, ribbon. Okay, here we are. opening it up, okay? Taking it out. Okay. Let's open it up. Look at her, guys. Look at her. So, I was offered the heart bag last week. Totally unexpected. So, when I originally saw this bag on the runway, they had them in the smaller ones and they were colorful pink. I think they had a pink and a green or maybe a blue. And they had a, also I think a gold one, champagne-y. And I was like, okay, they're interesting. But I wasn't interested in them because they were little, the ones that I saw on the runway. Little, and I didn't think that you could get much in them. I already have a little Chanel bag, so I don't need several. And I was like, okay. But when I saw Maria Dragonova, she unboxed one, and so did Sophie Chohet, and I was like, the bag is so cute. But it was just a bag to admire from afar because I didn't request it, didn't ask for it. So, but I did think it was cute, and I thought I wish I would have asked for that bag. So anyway, here she is, guys. This is just a quick video sharing. I will do a cutaway to show it in detail, I think. I don't know, we'll see. But if you can see, I love the little, let me show you guys. It has two pulls on the zipper. So, and on one it has this cute little Chanel heart. I think it's adorable. It has a, let's undo this. All right, here's the strap. It looks so adorable crossbody. On the inside, let me take out the, here we go. On the inside, you can see it has a pocket here. Can you see that pocket? And a pocket on the opposite side. It comes with the gold chip. I don't know if you can see that. Champagne hardware. I try to get my phone here, and I have the largest phone available in iPhone, and with the case it did not fit. So I will take off the case and see if it fits in here without it. If you guys would like to see what fits in this bag, leave a comment, let me know. I will be glad to do that. I'm very honored to have this piece. This is a part of the 22C collection, and heart bags don't come around often with Chanel. And I'm just glad to have added this piece to my collection. I'm just so over the moon. It's ecstatic about this. Queens, that concludes this video. I have another one coming up soon that I need to put out, of some great additions I have made to my closet for spring and summer. Excited to share those things with you guys as well. If you have made it this far, queen or king, what are you waiting for? I put out content like this and others. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I post a video. I would greatly appreciate it. Become a part of the Luxe fam. Also, if you please don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will suggest my videos out to a broader audience. I would greatly appreciate it. Besides that, girl, I hope that you are doing well. You are feeling great. That you are blessed mentally, physically, and financially. That is my hope for you. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video.